An echo appears when sound travels outwards, strikes a surface, and returns to your ears. The moment you speak, your voice sends vibrations through the air that move quickly forward. These vibrations continue until they meet a solid object capable of reflecting the incoming sound. When the sound bounces back, it retraces its path and reaches you slightly delayed in time. Your brain perceives this returning wave as a separate repetition instead of the original voice. The delay occurs because sound must complete the full journey before you can hear it again. If the surface is far away, the echo becomes clearer due to the longer travel distance involved. Large walls, cliffs, and empty halls make perfect echo chambers by reflecting sound very efficiently. Soft materials absorb vibrations more easily, so they reduce the strength of any returning echo. When multiple reflections overlap, the echo may blend into a faint reverberation instead of a sharp repeat. Concert halls use this behavior intentionally to create rich acoustic experiences for listeners. Engineers can shape echo patterns by adjusting surfaces, angles, and the space within a room. Even everyday locations like tunnels or stairwells demonstrate how sound behaves when encountering boundaries. Understanding echoes reveals how sound interacts with our surroundings and shapes what we hear naturally. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.